Hi, my name's Jessica, and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. Are you ready to upcycle one of your old trays lying around your house? I'm going to show you how to by using removable adhesive EasyLiner, and this one is in a marble finish, so it's going to make this tray look so much better than just, boring old wood tray. To recreate this in your house, you're just going to need a tray. I got this one at HomeGoods. You're going to need EasyLiner, and again, this one is marble, and your scissors. Start by opening your EasyLiner. Boop. Okay, why I love using EasyLiner is because, one, if stuff gets on it, like let's say, a liquid, because it is a tray, that it's going to keep the surface protected. You use these type of things in shelving, right? Like to keep your shelves or drawers completely tidy so that like crumbs or water doesn't like get all over the place. Well, it works the same for a tray. So for us, this tray is in our basement, and this is what we use to put on, the kids' drinks or if there's snacks or something. So by lining it, not only does it repurpose it, it also creates so much function for this for how we're going to use it. We're going to start by cutting the EasyLiner to the size of the inside of the tray. There's like the grid on the back, which is going to be amazing when you cut this. Now, I know some people like to measure. I just eyeball it. May or may not be the best, but I've found, so I'm going to cut it right here. I've just found that because of the grid, it just helps me make a better cut, and then I can, there, and then I can make it smaller as needed. So I go a little bigger on the initial cut, just because it is all rolled up and everything. So I'm going to lay it down. All right, so I'm going to put this in, and it is a little too big, which I anticipated. So for me, I just like to press down so I can see where I should cut. Same with this way. There we go. So now I have like some fold lines as to where I'm going to cut. So on this one, it's not perfect on the line. That's okay because I have the fold line. Kind of know where to cut it. Okay, and then this one, you can see I'm going to cut it right here. Okay, then we're going to place this in just to make sure. Does it all fit? Still a little off. Okay, let's trim this a little bit. If you do want a perfect smooth line, then I would recommend using a ruler to kind of straighten it out and then cut along that solid line. Like using the ruler as your line to go cut, cut, cut. All right, look at that. Gorgeous. Oh. Now we're going to remove the back to stick it in. So how I do this, I just peel off the top, like this, and then I'll start, make sure it doesn't stick back to the, there we go. First thing I do is lay the edge of the EasyLiner to the edge of the tray. I still have a lot of the backing still on it because I'm going to peel that off very slowly. So once that's secure and I know it's straight, I'm going to slowly peel off some and smooth it down. Now, see, it's starting to bubble right here, so I'm gonna just readjust it. The beauty of this removable EasyLiner, you can just readjust it like so. There we go. There we go. Smooth it out as we go. Look at that. Then rub that out to remove any bubbles. And now look at this. I just made my tray look super fancy. I love this too because then if anything spills, I don't have to worry about the wood cracking or, you know, cleaning it up right away because the EasyLiner really does protect it. So I love that. Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.